My presentation today is on the binary walkway and pedestrian empowerment because of the binary walkway. The binary walkway, as seen on this map, leads from the corner of the intersection between Adelbert and Euclid to the Case Quad, or as I like to call it, the South Quad, which is just the engineering quad in Case Western. Just all the STEM classes are there. It also this brings up the idea of the case bubble that we were talking about in class. Because Adelbert and Euclid are both seen more as part of the city of Cleveland and less of part of actual Case Western campus. And so the binary walkway is a junction between the the city and the education that we have on campus. What is pedestrian empowerment? Well, pedestrian empowerment, as told in Enchantment Engineering and Pedestrian Empowerment, the article that we had to read, says it has to do with increasing one's own ability to make decisions and to make your life your own. It's to take power over your own life to make more autonomous decisions. And while unlike that given definition, people could understand the binary walkway as something that limits pedestrian empowerment because, right, it just gives you one path to walk. But another way of thinking about it is instead of thinking about it as something that just limits pedestrian empowerment, it's something that gives pedestrians um, more options. It's something that empowers us because, in fact, we are actually using this pathway to go each to our own lives, to our own classes, to things that relate to us in the future. The binary walkway now motivates thought because it leads to a greater education. It leads to all the STEM courses that Case Western majors are trying to take. And so if we think about it as if crosswalks were a junction between two sides of a street, then the binary walkway is a junction between the city of Cleveland and our education. And I like that idea because when I walk across the binary walkway, I usually just think about going to classes, but I also think about what these classes will do for me in the future. It's how will they actually affect me. It shows more empowerment. It gives me more power because of that. And it shows, sorry, and it because so many people walk it every day and so many do it for their own reasons, it shows personal pedestrian empowerment. And they lead the binary walkway just leads to the South Quad, as I said before. And it's home to all the most important STEM buildings. It has Strosacker, it has Rockefeller, and it has Nord, which are all just very important buildings on campus.